In this video we will learn how to use the boundary boss base to control the surfaces, and this is the end product that we are going to make in this video. So let's begin. Open a part file, guys, and then change the background to plain white. This is optional, by the way. And then click on top plane and click on sketch, and here select this center rectangle and make a center rectangle at this origin. Now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length and width of this rectangle. Length is 100 mm and width is 40 mm. Now select the sketch filler tool and select this whole sketch. 10 mm fillet has been applied, and now exit from the sketch. This is the first sketch, and now we need to make a plane, and on top of that plane we will make another sketch. Since we have make a sketch on the top plane, so we want another plane 37 mm offset from that plane. Now select this plane and make a sketch on it. This time we are making a circle. Boundary surface is much more similar to the lofted surface, just a difference in some tools. And now define the diameter of this circle as 32 mm, and we are done with this sketch as well. Exit from the sketch and hide this plane. So we have make two sketches on two different planes, although we can make 3, 4, 5 different sketches on 3, 4, 5 different planes. And now let's enable this surfaces tab, and in this tab we have this boundary surface tool available. Click on it. In this direction 1 window we need to select both of these sketches. So this is our first sketch. This is appeared in this window, that is in direction 1, and this is our second sketch. These are the connectors. We can control the surface by these connectors, just dragging it. And just like the lofted surface, we have some constraints available here. This is normal to profile, and when we select it we can actually control this profile by changing these parameters. Let me define it as 0.25. so we can control this surface by controlling these parameters. We have different options available in this boundary surface tool to control the surface. So check this box from here, and now let's apply some color. So if you want to learn more about surfaces, I have explained all the tools on the surfaces in a playlist, and I will provide the link of that playlist in the description. And if you find this video helpful, guys, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.